What up, and welcome back to Bossy Behavior. So, I know you guys, some of you love the tutorials, and this may seem like a really simple one, and you may think that it's through an app when people do this, but I decided to record it for you guys because, yes, it's 2 a.m., and yes, your girl was up making a TikTok. That's right, a TikTok. So yeah, basically I took the TikTok video and I put it on the background of another picture because I have to be extra when I post in other places in social media. And you know, like the Square Ready app will only give you the rainbow. It won't give you the ability to put your own aesthetic behind it. And I just like aesthetics. So this is up on game for you. I'm going to talk you through every single part of it. So here we go. We're on Keynote already. And you're going to click on whatever presentation you like. I don't know why I just pick white because there's several ways you could do this. So you're going to go to document. You're going to change the size. For Instagram, you're going to want to make it a square. So 1024 by 1024 is all I'm doing here. If you want to make it for widescreen, you can go ahead and look those up or I'll put it down below. Then I just delete all of the text boxes. And I'm going to go and pull in the content I want. I want this pretty LA random street background. I got this on pexels.com. I will link it down below. It's really great. You get free content there. Tells you where you can use it, how you can use it. I'm just trying to stretch the photo out. Also, I realized while I'm doing this that I have it too zoomed in to like kind of see the whole square. So gotta fix that. Right. So I'm about to fix it right now. But basically, you can put in any picture that you want. You can make whatever background you want instead of a lot of apps where it's just like the rainbow. You have generic colors. There's nothing really major going on. Then I'm going to go to my Finder and I'm going to use the video I did on TikTok about beauty mode. Wow, I look great here, don't I, guys? No, I actually had my hair in a ponytail and I took it out and kind of messed it up for the effect of this video. I'm just stretching it to meet the borders. So you see how on the repost app, that would just be white on the side or black. But if you have an aesthetic for your Instagram or Facebook or wherever you're posting this, Twitter timeline, it's not necessary. It's just something I like to do. Those are the slideshow settings. And then I'm going to go ahead and preview it to make sure that it came out the way that I want, that it's sitting where I want. And there you go. I'm acting a fool. And I was bored in the middle of the night. So that's kind of what that was. Oh, good old TikTok. I'm still learning about TikTok, but hey, it's fun. Then this is one of the most important moments, okay? Actually, I was looking for something here, but this next moment is super important. You're going to go to File. You're not going to save or save as. You're going to export to movie, okay? Because you want it to play. You want it to be a movie, self-playing. There'll be options if you did multiple cards here, which you can add multiple cards and have them all play together. This is where you would change the seconds if that was the case. How long you would want it to take in between building between sections. Also, you're going to choose your resolution. I always go 1080p because I like the way that it looks. And then you're going to put next. Basically, you name your file, put it in downloads on your desktop, wherever you want it to be at. This TikTok was called Beauty Mode. So, I just clearly don't know how to type, but it's okay. Then you're going to export it. Basically, Keynote is creating a movie for you. You can also do this in PowerPoint, but I'm a Mac girl, so it's done in Keynote for me. After that, a lot of people ask, well, how do you get it to your actual phone to post it? Simple. Go to your Finder, pull it up. Once it comes up, you're going to hit that little share button. And instead of sharing, because you can't share straight to the app, you can share to your phone by using AirDrop. I'm sorry, PC people, I do not know what it's called on your end, but I'm sure there's a feature for it. And see, Elizabeth Lawton came up. Hope that you learned something. If you did, go ahead and comment down below. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below because I'm here to help you out and figure it out on your end. All right, thanks for walking with me. Until next time, toodles.